Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Apple TV share the same Wi-Fi network and Apple ID. This is necessary for pairing. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone and add the Apple TV remote to Control Center so you can access it quickly. Then wake the Apple TV and leave it on the home screen. It will be listening for a remote connection. Now, swipe to Control Center and tap the remote icon to begin the pairing handshake. You should now be seeing the remote interface. If not, tap the icon again and look for your Apple TV in the list of discoverable devices. When you select it, the TV displays a 4-digit code. Enter that code on your iPhone to verify the link. Once confirmed, the on-screen touchpad and navigation buttons appear, giving you full control. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. This is how the iPhone becomes the active Apple TV remote. You can now swipe the touchpad to navigate, press play/pause, use menu to go back, and open the keyboard for text input. Speak to Siri if supported. If the remote doesn't connect, first restart your Apple TV and toggle Wi-Fi on the phone, then try pairing again. Simple network refreshes fix most problems. If issues persist, make sure both devices run the latest iOS and tvOS updates. Updating often resolves compatibility and pairing bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.